right now on Fox 5 News at 5.
In Fox 5 Health News tonight, the Nassau County Health Department says there's an increase in mumps cases in Long Beach and the surrounding areas, and more cases are expected.
Most of the patients are in their 20s and they were vaccinated. Health officials say that factors can contribute to an outbreak that include the intensity of the exposure settings, such as a college campus, also the effectiveness of that vaccine.
The vaccine isn't perfect. It's an excellent vaccine. It's a very safe vaccine. It's a vaccine that every parent should make sure that their children get vaccinated for. And at the same time, it's not going to be perfect, and it's going to be less perfect the more people don't take advantage of this vaccine.
Health officials say 18 cases are being investigated, and they stress that people should not be alarmed. You know how that goes.
Joining us now to talk more about this is Fox's Dr. Manny Alvarez. So Manny, obviously, even though they're telling us don't be alarmed, parents in the area probably will be.
This happens all the time as of late. You know, you see these outbreaks, sometimes 20, 30, 100 people, different parts of the country. And just like it was said, you know, look, vaccination doesn't last forever. Number one, a lot of people sometimes don't get the full dose of the vaccine. They may get one shot, they don't get the second shot. So kids in their 20s always need a booster. You know, when I send my kid to college, I give them a booster shot of the vaccine. And, you know, and again, the socialization in schools in their 20s, you know, you use cups and you give drinks to each other and all of that. That promotes more passing of the virus from one person to the other. So this is what the health officials are saying. You know, if you think you get it, if you have the mumps, stay at home, because there's no cure in reality. You know, you take liquids, something, you get a low-grade temperature. Sometimes you can take things like that to monitor the temperature, but stay home and let the incubation period sort of disappears, because, you know, the symptoms stay around for sometimes 14, 16 days. Sometimes, you know, you can get it, 25 days out after exposure. But, you know, don't contaminate anybody. Be very clean about your space for a while, and then, you know, it should go away. And for people that don't think they're vaccinated, then get the booster shot.
Okay.
All right.
Something else we wanted to ask you about, Dr. Manny, and I have a lot of dentists in my family who will